Today I am going to show you how to replace a downlight when the old cutout is smaller than the new downlight cutout, while keeping mess to an absolute minimum. A few things that I'm using today which are really good is, one, these velocity work mats, far better than dust sheets, and two, I have these muck guard overshoes which look like this, which makes life easier than just having to keep taking your shoes off, and they're only about a tenner on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. These downlights I'm removing are not fire rated, which is why I'm replacing them. And then those horrible ones with them old-fashioned clips that like destroy your ceiling when you take them down, which you just can't help. And it's a good job I'm replacing these, because this was a new build. These have been in since this place has been built, and this is how they done it. Single insulated cables, earth cables just tied up around the twin and earth. Shocking work. And they've done the classic twisting the earths together, so I'm just going to strip this back and start again. But first of all, let me show you the predicament that you might find yourselves in. I'll poke them out of the way, and this is my new downlight. Oh no, it doesn't quite fit. That's really close actually. So let me show you how to get around this without using a pad saw and creating a ton of mess. Now there is a tool that you can buy to make that hole larger, but I don't have one, and it's not very often that I do this sort of work anymore. So I'm not going to buy it, because it'll be one of those things that comes out once in a blue moon. It's just taking up space. So there's a cheaper alternative to it. What you need to do is find yourself a hole saw that fits the new downlight. So this is a 76mm one, and it's just about the right size for this downlight. And then what you need is a scrap bit of wood, and you need to drill a hole saw into the middle of it, and this becomes your template. Because what you'll find is if you just try and use this in the ceiling, it's going to spin all over the place and you're going to cut all the ceiling up. The next thing you're going to want, and this is worth buying, is this dust guard. This will stop all the plasterboard from making a complete mess again. And all you do with your hole saw is you put it inside there like that, and then put that in your drill. Then this is going to catch all of the dust. Next, you're going to want to take your template and you want to hold it up to the ceiling where you want your hole cut out. Now, bear in mind, you're going to have to hold this tight because it might spin out and you don't want to leave a mark on the ceiling. So just take this nice and slow. And hopefully, you'll have your new hole done. And then make off your light fitting again. I'm just going to start again with this. Make sure when you're stripping it back, you're going to get all of your single insulation within this enclosure. And then these downlights have these push fit connectors, which are really useful. So your downlight connections should look like that. And then all you have to do, put your lamp in and put your bezel on. Just pop it up in the ceiling. And there you have your finished downlight. Easy as that. Subscribe to my channel.